Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to be talking about pi. And I think a lot of us heard what pi was or is 3.14, but the pi is actually a lot cooler and a lot more than just 3.14. And it's not just a number, it's actually a really cool concept, a mathematical truth that just exists in this natural world. And I just think it's super fascinating. And so today we're going to talk about and learn about what actually pi is. And so let's take a look. So we got circumference, we got diameter, we got the ratio, right? Circumference divided by denominator, and we have the answer. And so circumference is the distance around the circle. So this distance, 46.5, is the distance around the circle. The diameter is 14.8, right? And then we're going to put that into a denominator or into a ratio. So let's start with a smaller triangle. As you can see, this number increases actually proportionally to the diameter, to the diameter. And so we're going to start a little bit small. I don't know, let's start with like 2.8. So circumference is 2.8. Diameter is going to be like 8.8. And then we're going to do 2.8 divided by 8.8, right? Oh, sorry, 8.8 divided by 8.8 divided by 2.8. And then our answer then, we're going to use calculator, 8.8 divided by 2.8 is, here we go. Look, it's 3.1428, okay? Does that look familiar at all? Does that look familiar? I don't know why that disappeared. Here we go, 2.8. And then we got 3.142. We're gonna keep it 3.14, okay? All right, so that is the ratio. Already you might be thinking, this looks a little fishy, right? So let's go take a look at the next one. I don't know, like about 16.96. Okay, we doubled it almost, right? Let's actually double it. Okay, so we got 5.6 is our 17.59. 17.59. I think I actually switched these. So this is supposed to be 8.8, and this is supposed to be 2.8. We got 17.59 is the circumference, and then now we got the diameter, which is 5.6. And then we're gonna do 17.59 divided by 5.6, and then we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna go 17.59 divided by 5.6. Oh my gosh, 3.141. 3.141. Okay, do you see a pattern here? I hope you're seeing some sort of pattern. Let's go pretty big. 43.98 is the circumference. 14, and then we're gonna put 43.98 over 14, and then we're gonna go here and we're gonna do 43.98 divided by 14. 3.14. Oh my gosh, what is happening? What is happening? Is this magic? Is this trickery? No. This is mathematical truth, everyone. This is mathematical truth. Let's try, I don't know, 18.8. Okay, 59.06, 18.08 or 18.8, and then 59.06 divided by 18.8, and then we go here, go enter 59.06 divided by 18.8. Oh my gosh, 3.14. Okay, you see what is happening here, right? No matter what the size, I can make it this big. Let's make it huge, right? The circumference is 88.59. The diameter is 28.2, and I got 88.59 divided by 28.2, right? we're gonna do this right here. Go 88.59 divided by 28.2, and then we again get 3.1414. Oh my gosh, 3.14. As you can see, what is happening here, right? I hope that you're seeing a pattern here of something that is really, really cool. This is a concept that mathematicians in history have figured out by just observing the natural world, that the ratio between the circumference and the diameter is always going to be 3.14 and blah, blah, blah forever. It's an irrational number, which means that whatever the diameter is, you multiply that by 3.14, you always get the circumference of the circle. If it's this big, get this, get the diameter, multiply by 3.14, and you'll get the the circumference. Watch, I'll show it to you. So you got 20.4, right, is the diameter. This is so cool. 20.4, and then you're gonna multiply it by 3.14, and you get 64.0, 64.056, 64.09, which is pretty close, right? If we do, I think 1, then it gets closer. Okay, I forgot what actual 8.9, I think, maybe. See, it's getting closer. You see, the closer to pi we get, the actual circumference value that we get to is 64.08, 64.09. We're getting closer. You see, right? Isn't that so cool? So no matter what the diameter is, you multiply by 3 and you always get circumference. Let's try this one. I don't know, 6, right? So we got 6 times 3.141489, right? You see that? 18.84, 18.85, right? You see that? Get the diameter and you just multiply by 3.14, and voila, you get the circumference. Isn't that so crazy, right? And that's actually what the formula is. I want you guys to, I'll show you guys the formula. You got, okay, so you know how I told you just now, I'm like really excited for this. Probably like too excited. I just had coffee, and so like I'm like, oh, like really, really excited. So I got circumference over diameter, right? Circumference over diameter. I said that circumference over diameter is equal to 3.14, okay? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you the actual formula. Circumference over diameter is equal to 3.14, right? And then we're gonna solve for circumference, right? Multiply d on both sides. And circumference is equal to 3.14 d. That is the equation for the circumference of a circle. Remember how I just told you, multiply the diameter by 3.14 and you get, if you get 3, right? Right here. If you get the diameter and you multiply by 3.14, you get 18.85, right? So this equation, 3.14 times d is equal to circumference. 3.14 times the diameter is equal to the circumference. It just holds true for any circle. And that, my friends and my students, is what pi is. And that's so cool. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.